Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe billing for subscriptions and invoices, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Stripe billing for subscriptions and invoices, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Once your account is created, confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Stripe dashboard. From the left sidebar, navigate to the Billing section. Click on Subscriptions to begin configuring your subscription settings. Select Products to create a new product for your subscription service. Click on Add a Product. Enter the product name and description. Specify whether the product has a recurring price. Set the pricing details and billing interval, such as monthly or yearly. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. Next, return to the Billing section and click on Invoices. Select Invoice Settings to customize your invoice appearance. You can upload your company logo for branding purposes. Adjust the currency and payment methods according to your preference. Now, navigate to the Customers tab in the left sidebar. Click on Add Customer to create a new customer profile. Fill in the customer's email address and any other relevant details. Click Save Customer. Next, go to the Subscriptions tab under the Customer Profile. Click on Add Subscription to associate with the product you created earlier. Select the product and the pricing plan for this subscription. Configure any additional options, such as trial periods or discounts. Once everything is set up, click Start Subscription. To issue invoices manually, go back to the Invoices tab in the sidebar. Click on Create Invoice. Select the customer from the drop-down menu. Add the line items for the services or products being billed. Review the invoice details. Click Send Invoice to email the invoice to the customer. Remember to check the Reports section to monitor your payments and subscriptions. Regularly update any product or subscription details in the Products section as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.